Hi, Marty Bash, your host this morning. It's 8:23, but more importantly, Greg Vander Veer is here, Christmas Loft. And, again, to no surprise, we are going to talk about Christmas with the Christmas Loft. 'Tis the season, and wow. So, go to it.
Should we talk about the Christmas Loft for a second?
Absolutely. Where is it? What is it? You know the deal.
It's just right down the road, right on Route 16. And this is the time of year to come. So it's going to be packed this weekend, but it's really a lot of fun when everyone's in there. We got Santa Claus from 10 to 3 today and 11 to 4 tomorrow. And then every weekend we got Santa and Mrs. Claus up to Christmas. And as you can see in the video here, it's just a whole Christmas experience in there. You walk in and it's a life-size Christmas village.
Right.
So about 50% of the space is just dedicated to this Christmas village with animatronics, walk all around, and then we have everything Christmas all around.
Nice.
So it's a lot of fun. And then this year we opened up Tricks and Treats, which is toys and stocking stuffers. It's got a Halloween section, but this time of year we have a lot of great stuff to pick up for gifts and toys and stocking stuffers. And then in our ice cream cafe, we have hot chocolate and cookies. And if you still want ice cream, we got a lot of good ice cream and holiday shakes. And
people always want ice cream.
Yeah,
That is crazy. They notice. It's too cold. I'm not going out. You want some ice cream? Absolutely.
They still do. Most ice cream shops close at Labor Day, right? So we're staying open year-round, actually. When people come in, it's not as busy as summer, but we're serving ice cream all day long.
There you go. Cool.
Who doesn't want ice cream all the time?
As we've taken a look through here, I mean, we have on this table is everything from sushi socks to I don't even want to ask about the yodeling pickle. And
wait. Should we start with the yodeling pickle?
And also, I do believe Tom Brady is here somewhere. But
Yes.
yeah, if you want to, sure. What is that electronic yodeling pickle?
So I brought in some things that are more from the Tricks and Treats side to show all the funny stocking stuffers and stuff. So I think you would really enjoy that. It's a yodeling pickle. And you want to press the button?
Okay, I don't know what's going to happen, and this is live television.
I have a feeling the pickle might yodel.
Okay, again, this is. I'm pressing the button.
The pickle is yodeling. Sounds like you might need a few batteries.
And there you go, the yodeling pickle.
So,
okay,
as advertised, it is a pickle that yodels.
Okay, cool. Yeah, just when you think, what else we got? What else we got
I thought it was going to be Christy, and I make her wear hats.
I understand.
So you don't have to wear it the whole show, but I'm going to make you wear it for a second.
Okay, here we go.
There's the cowboy hat. There we go. I get mine thing.
There you go. Lighten up.
Oh, that actually looks really good on you.
There you go. I mean, I'm just saying, text me and I'll get you one if you know what I'm saying. Just text me. I'll text you the location. All right.
It's got the flash, the bling on it. It's really good.
Okay, that's it. I can now not run for public office ever. Okay, what else you got?
And then here we're back to Tricks and Treats here. So you get yourself a little present and stuff, but you got to get your cat a little stocking stuffer.
Okay, there we go.
So that is a unicorn horn for your cat.
Okay, and only cats can see the unicorn. Anyway.
So you put it in your cat stocking. She really wants to dress up as a unicorn this year, so she can wear a little unicorn horn.
Okay.
So it's kind of a must-have for your cat. We got these little wee bears. These are really cute little wee bears. So they're teddy bears dressed up for Christmas. Yeah, put it on. There you go.
What the heck? Might as well.
Yeah, they're cute, right? Good
I'm
little
telling
presents for kids.
When did you say Mrs. Claus is going to be around? Because I'm going to wear the hat.
She's gone this weekend, but she'll be back next weekend.
All right,
she'll
nice
be back
to know.
next weekend.
How you doing, Mrs. C? Okay, now I see Tom Brady up here next to Santa.
You're really excited about him, right?
Yeah, because tomorrow we're against the Chiefs, 425, but who's counting?
Oh, I actually have a Patrick. What's his name? Mahomes. He's the Chiefs quarterback too. So even if you're a Chiefs fan, we got all the major quarterbacks.
Okay.
I'll hold this one. We got all the major teams, especially New England teams, but also all the sports teams. So basically we have an ornament for everything. We got a lot of great sports ornaments, and then we have a lot of themed and kids ornaments. We'll go through some of those. So that's Tom Brady, obviously one of our most popular right here.
All right, and just maybe a couple of others.
You already getting bored with me? I
Oh,
feel like
not-
we just started,
oh,
Marty.
not at
Here,
all.
Try a little.
What's going to happen with this now?
Oh no, that's just a cat for your finger. You just.
Haven't you embarrassed me enough?
That's just
Haven't you?
These are all the essential things.
Give me that
you
pickle
know.
back. I want that pickle back.
Oh, yeah, so you can get a couple of them. We have. Oh wait, you were excited about the sushi socks.
Yes,
I'm not
yes,
showing many
yes.
Christmas stuff, but here's the sushi socks here.
Yeah, this is kind of cool. Ankle socks for the sushi. In
Your
face.
wife makes sushi.
She does.
And I'm actually going to give you those right now. Those are for you and your wife.
Cool. Thank you very much. His and hers. That's very
Yeah.
kind of you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Sushi socks.
Thank you. Cool. If she's
So
alive.
let's get into our more serious Christmas
Yes.
decorations
Yes.
here. We got a lot of great stocking selection, and then this is, you need stocking holders, and this is a nice kind of heavy stocking holder, and the red truck. That's a huge thing. It's almost as popular as Santa these days.
Well, can you imagine Santa driving a red truck?
Well, I can't
just
because I
saying.
see a lot of figurines with Santa driving a red truck.
Okay, fair enough.
We have a lot of ornaments with Santa driving a red truck.
Welcome to your world. I understand. Fair enough.
But the red truck, it's the snowman, Santa, and the red truck. Those are the biggest Christmas
Nice.
things you can get. And we got Santa. Maybe we'll just keep that one up there. We got Santa, and that's a nice table figurine, Santa and snowman. It's all lit up. And then this one, maybe this is a real
Down.
classic here.
What's that?
These are bubble lights. So this is the old style bubble lights. People are always asking for these. The one you plug them in, and you ever seen them before? The kind of water bubbles.
Okay, that's what. Oh, cool.
You're Jewish, right? You don't celebrate Christmas. You know who else is Jewish? My mom, who started the Christmas Loft, is Jewish.
There you
So
go.
here it
Go
is.
figure.
She started this
There
whole
you
thing.
go.
So I
There you
am
go.
too.
There you go. Eight more. 8 more for a minion. Let's find them. Let's find them.
8 more for me. But there's
My
some in
gift to you.
Bethlehem.
Okay.
I've been to the
There
one
you
in
go.
Bethlehem before.
For those of you who don't know what a minion is, good for you.
I could explain it for them if they want. To have service, you need 8.
Yes, God is too busy, but he needs 10 of us before we can talk. Anyway.
What? Oh.
Okay,
You can hold this.
thank you very much.
You just press it.
Of course.
Oh, there's
There you
Santa
go.
doing a little
He's
dance.
he's doing
a
the
little
horror.
Or maybe he's doing he's doing some aerobics.
There you go, Santa aerobics. Cool.
You want one more?
All right, yes, one more. What's it gonna be?
Well, you pick.
Ooh ah, ooh ah.
Well, don't pick the broken one.
Okay. No, a brain teaser.
Well, that's what it is. It's a brain teaser. So we got a lot of different games and kind of fun puzzles. I would say this would be a good stocking stuffer. So try to figure it out. We have like 7 or 8 different varieties of stuff like that.
All right, well, Greg Vander Veer, Christmas Loft, thank you once again for stopping by.
I like the
You know,
hat.
hey,
man.
I'm
It's
telling you,
looking
it grows.
good.
I'm
It's
telling
looking
you.
good. I think it's better than this one.
Well, I appreciate
Although
it.
this
And,
looks pretty good too.
and again, they're on the strip. Santa's stopping by again today.
He'll be there from 10 to 3 today, 11 to 4 tomorrow, and that's free. So we don't charge for photographs. You
Right.
just go hang out with Santa, adults, kids, and just snap your own photos. So that's all part of the fun.
All right, well, have fun. And speaking of fun, the fun will continue after this.